Okay, this is the control panel I've made for this project. You can see here this fourth panel is for showing the luminance of each area and also for the daylight from the window. Down here is the LED lighting contribution to the room compared to the whole luminance that got into the room. Here is the data of occupancy detection sensors. When the light's on, it means that area have movement or have somebody there. Here is the dollar saving, and here is the control panel for fixture. Each fixture can be controlled automatically or manually and separately and all at once. Here, this LED numerical LED panel is for showing the duration. Here is showing the time of the day, and this picture, if somebody is registered to this system, will show the people's picture and also ID. Now, you can start the system, and it got some time to connect it to the microcontroller. And when it's connected to the microcontroller, then the system was showing the real-time value. Here's the luminance. Here's, you can see that at the phone, nobody's at sit beside the phone. Somebody is sitting uh, beside a computer, and maybe the bookshelf have somebody. When we're doing the demo, maybe people will standing all around the office, so sometimes we might want to disable some motion detector like this. So we just disable, and you'll not show the data. Even the book beside the bookshelf, somebody's standing here. And here, um, in the default data, the system will control the LED fixture automatically. But also in the manual mode, we can control the LED manually by just sliding these sliders. And when this fixture lighting goes up, then its contribution to the whole lighting will goes up too. Which one you can change it. Okay, here showing the duration of the started time.